Yeah, have a seat, please. Okay, yeah, have a seat, please. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, what kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
QC analyst.
QC analyst. QC analyst or chemical analyst? Same, yeah. Chemical analyst. Okay. Can you tell me what the job description of chemical analyst?
Uh, Chemical analyst ensures by product
Okay.
and of uh, product in
Okay.
testing, inspecting, and analyzer.
Okay, that's all. Okay. So why do you want to apply in my company as a chemical analyst?
QC.
Yes, why? Why do you want to apply as chemical analyst in my company? Why?
Because I am because I
Do you want to get salary maybe?
because I want to improve
Okay.
my ability and develop this company.
Okay. So tell me about your skill that you have.
I have good skill laboratory practice,
Okay.
able to operate laboratory instrument, operate computer,
Okay.
analyze data, and I can speak English well.
Okay. So the last one, if you are accepted in my company, how much salary do you want?
Maybe standard in this company and uh, uh, res-
That's all. Standard in this company, yeah. How about the nominal? Maybe. What million? How much?
um,
1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 10 million,
3 million.
3 million, about in 3 million. Okay, I think this is enough for today. Thank you very much for interview today. I'll call you later for the result, right? Okay, thank you. Morning.
Good morning.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, how did you know about my job vacancy?
I see at poster
Okay, from?
from social media.
Okay, from Job Street.
Yes.
Okay.
Post it.
So, what kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
QC analyst for chemical, physical, and organoleptic tests.
Okay. Do you understand about the job description about this is?
For the organoleptic test, maybe I uh, don't know.
Okay, for the other, maybe?
Maybe yes.
For chemical?
Yes.
Oh, so tell me about the job description.
QC analyst chemical is ensure product meet required by testing, inspecting, and analyzing the sample at various production stage.
Okay. There is no sign.
Yes,
Okay, and then why do you want to work in my company?
because I want to improve my ability and develop this company.
Okay. Can you tell me about your strength and your weakness?
My strength is I am smart, disciplined, and I can manage time.
Okay.
My weakness is sometimes I'm careless.
Okay, so how to handle your careless?
I try to uh, I try to apa?
For example, like to make note, yeah, something like that. You
Yeah.
have to manage yourself better, right? Because if you are accepted in my company as chemical analyst, you have to be more disciplined. You have to be more careful, maybe
Yes,
something like
careful.
that. Okay. Last one, if you are accepted in my company as chemical analyst, how much salary do you want?
Maybe standard of this company in this company.
Okay. Okay, I think this is enough for interview today. I'll call you later for the result. Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a seat, please. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. So, what kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
I want to apply in QC analyst.
QC analyst, chemical analyst, same.
Yes, yes.
Chemical analyst. Yeah.
Same.
So, tell me about the job description of chemical analyst.
So in chemical analyst, we ensure product standards by testing, inspecting, analyzing. Yes.
Okay. Tell me about your skills, maybe.
I have skills in I can operate step instrument. I can
Okay.
operate Microsoft in computer. I have knowledge in chemical and also uh, I can analyze data.
Okay. Is there any other skill that can support your work, maybe?
Uh, I can speak English well
Okay.
and I have a good communication and I can work in a team.
Okay. Do you have experience?
I don't have job experience, but I have done apprenticeship in Italy for 3 months and
3 months.
yes, three
Okay.
months and Pate Kimia Pharma for 3 months.
Okay. So tell me about your strength and your weakness.
My strength that I am smart, I am creative, and I can communication with my team. And my weakness is I am a bit careless.
Okay. The last one, if you are accepted in my company, how much salary do you want?
Maybe in based on regional minimum wage, like 4 million.
4 million.
Yes.
Okay. This standard, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I think this is enough for interview today. Thank you very much. Right.
Thank you very much.
I'll call you later for the result. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine.
This is what kind of job position you want to apply?
Yes.
What kind of position do you want to apply?
QC analyst in digital organoleptics.
Okay. Can you tell me about the job description from chemical physical organoleptic analyst?
Organoleptic test is testing required by human cells for analyzing sample like 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 testing analyzing and carbohydrate.
And other material, yeah,
Yes.
something like that. So, why do you want to work in my company?
Because I want to tell you about my ability and
And
strength. Yes.
you want to show me, right, about your ability. So, tell me about your skill or ability that you have.
I am smart, I am creative, and I can work in team. And but but I am sometimes careless.
Okay. So, tell me about your strength and your weakness.
My strength is I can work in team. I am creative. I am smart too. But But my weakness is sometimes I'm careless.
Okay. So, if you are accepted in my company, are you ready to stay or live in Cikampek?
Of course, yes, I'm ready.
Okay, yeah. And then if there is any shift, are you ready to work in shift? Of course. And then last one, how much salary do you want?
Maybe standard in this company or based for minimum wage.
Okay. Okay, I think this is enough for interview today. I'll call you later for the result. Yeah. Thank
So
you.
much.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good morning.
Morning.
How's everything today?
Good.
Okay. How did you know about our job vacancy? From what?
Kisana.
Uh, how did you know about information about the job vacancy?
Loker Bumi Ayu website.
Okay, from the website,
Yes.
right? So, what kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
QC analyst.
QC analyst or chemical analyst?
Chemical
Chemical
analyst.
analyst, right? Can you tell me about the job description of chemical analyst?
QC analyst ensure products meet to required uh, by testing, inspecting, and analyzing sample at various production stage.
Okay. So, why do you want to work in my company?
Because I want to improve my skill and
Okay. That's all.
yeah.
No. Okay. Do you have experience?
Yes, I have experienced apprenticeship at Petasambi Pharma for 3 months and at Dinas Kesehatan for 3 months.
Okay. Tell me about your strength and your weakness.
My strength is I I'm smart, I'm disciplined, and I can work in a team. My weakness is sometimes I careless.
Okay. Tell me about your skill that you have.
I can operate uh, computer.
Okay.
I can uh, practice good practice CGMP.
Okay. That's all.
That's all.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background. Start from elementary school.
My elementary school is SDN 03 Wanita. My junior high school is sampai 4 Bandung.
Okay.
My vocational high school in 7 Bandung.
Okay. Last one. How much salary do you want?
4 million rupiah.
4 million. Okay. This is standard, right? Based on the regional minimum wage of Bandung. Yeah, in Bandung. Okay, I think this is enough for interview today. I'll call you later for the result. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. How's everything today?
It was very good for me. It's wonderful.
Okay. What kind of position do you want to apply in my company?
In this company, I want to apply as an R&D analyst.
Okay. Please tell me about the job description that you know about R&D analyst.
Okay, R&D analyst is a professional do systematic research and development in creating innovation, improve products and services, and then find more efficient ways to do for a company.
Okay. So why do you want to work in my company? Why?
In this company, I can see company is very progressive. I can see my future here.
Okay. So that's your reason, right?
Yes.
Tell me about your skill that you have.
My skills that I'm progressive, responsive, I'm a very adaptive person, I'm smart, diligent, and I
Okay.
can work in a team.
Okay. Can you tell me about your skill that you have that it has relation with the analyst? Maybe?
For the analyst, I'm smart, diligent, and
This is your skill.
I'm proficient in Microsoft Office, especially Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and I have a good knowledge about laboratory.
Okay. Labor practice and CGMP, right?
Yes.
So you have experience?
Yes, I have experience of 2 years in Tata Paragon as an R&D analyst.
Okay. Tell me about your strength and your weakness.
My strength is I'm diligent, smart, aggressive, responsive, and an adaptive person. For the uh, and then I'm a very careless person.
Why?
Because sometimes when I work in a company, uh, my hand sometimes shaking.
Oh,
Yes, and then like
but maybe for later you can handle it,
I
right?
can handle it.
Last one, how much salary do you want?
Salary, I want standard in this industry or based on regional minimum wage.
Okay. Okay, I think this is enough for interview today. Thank you very much. I'll call you later for the result. Yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Okay,
Miss.
how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, and
Oh,
Miss.
I'm good. What kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
I want to apply job as inspection analyst.
Inspection analyst. Do you know the job description from the inspection analyst?
Well, inspection analyst is involves the regular testing of product, raw
Okay.
materials, and intermediate on daily basis.
Okay. So why do you want to apply in my company?
Yes,
Why?
because I want to improve my ability and
Okay.
develop this company.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your strength and weakness that you have.
First, my strength that I am smart, discipline, and then I have good knowledge in chemical, in laboratory instrument, data analysis, and I can work in under pressure.
Okay. Tell me about your skill that you have.
I'm able to data analyze. I'm
Okay.
able to operating computer and laboratory instrument, and I can speak English well.
Okay.
That's it.
Yes. Okay. Okay, the last one. How much salary do you want if you are accepted in my company as analyst?
Maybe the standard in this company
Okay.
or based on the regional minimum wage
About what?
on if can 10
Okay.
million I
10
want
million. Okay. This is your over, right?
yes.
Okay, I think this is my final interview today. I'll call you later for the result. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, Miss.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. How's everything today?
Uh, it feels fine.
Good. Why? Are you a little bit nervous? Just a little bit, yeah. Okay. Okay, welcome to our company. And then you are having interview today, right? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh. What kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
I want to apply as QC analyst.
Specialist or lab analyst?
Uh, lab
Lab
analyst or
analyst,
QC
yeah.
analyst is
Tell me about the job description.
QC analyst or analyst lab analyst
Okay.
ensures products meet required by testing, inspecting, and analyzing samples at various stage. And it's the same like my
Okay. Tell me about your skill that you have.
uh, I can operating lab instrumentation like GC, GCIMS, LCIMS, spectrophotometer UV visible, and high performance liquid chromatography. And I can operate a computer. I have good in communication, and I can work well both independently and or a team.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background. Start from elementary school, maybe.
Uh, I have done school elementary school in SDN 036 Ujung Perum
Okay.
and my junior high school in SMPN 17 Bandung and vocational high school in SMKN 7 Bandung.
Okay. I'm very nice. Do you have experience?
Yes, I had experience. I had quality control at KTM program for 1 year after graduating uh, after graduating from SMKM 7 Bandung.
Okay. So why do you want to work in my company?
Because I want to improve my skills and my ability, and I want to develop this company.
Okay. Tell me about your strength and your weakness, maybe.
My strength is I have a good skills. I have good analytical skills. I can work in a team. I am creative and I am responsive. But my weakness sometimes I am careless.
Okay, but you can handle it,
Yes,
right?
I can handle it.
Okay, the last one. How much salary do you want?
Maybe standard in this company or based on the regional minimum wage.
About how much?
Maybe up to 4 million.
4 million. Yes, this is the standard, right? Okay, I think this is enough for today. Thank you very much. I'll call you later for the result. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, how's everything today?
All good.
Okay, good. Yeah. And then, what kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
Quality control.
Quality control or chemical analyst? Same.
Same.
Same. So tell me the job in description of chemical analyst or QC.
Quality control ensures meet required standard by samples, like analyzing or inspecting samples.
Okay. Why do you want to work in my company?
Uh, because I believe with my skill and I'm motivated to work in this company, and I see the opportunity to grow and contribute.
Okay, good. Do you have experience?
Yes, I have experience apprenticeship at KTM Farm and ITB for 3 months
3 months.
in KTM Farm and 3 months in ITB.
Okay. Tell me about your skill that you have.
Having good knowledge about chemical analysis or
Okay.
quality control, and maybe discipline and
Okay.
discipline.
Tell me about your strength and your weakness that you have.
My strength, I'm creative, discipline, and I can work in under pressure. And my
Mhm.
weakness, sometimes I am forgetful.
Wonderful, but you can handle it,
Yes, I
right?
can handle it.
So the last one, how much salary do you want if you are accepted in my company as analyst? How much salary?
Maybe standard in this company or
Okay.
based on regional minimum wage.
How much? If it is nominal, right?
5 million.
5 million, about 5 million, right? Okay, I think this is enough for interview today. Thank you very much. For the result, I'll call you later. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
Inspect QC analysis.
Inspection
Inspection
and
analysis.
yeah. Please tell me about the job description of inspection analyst.
QC analysis. QC analysis ensure
Inspection analyst.
inspection analysis ensure by testing, testing, and analyzing sample.
That's all. Why do you want to work in my company? Why?
My work is
Why do you want to apply as analyst in my company? Because why? What is why? Yeah, why? The reason.
Kenapa?
Yes, that's right. Why do you want to apply job in my company as analyst? Why? Because
Karena sejurusan.
because
Because
up to you. Yes, your reason.
hmm,
Alasannya boleh bebas.
mendapatkan pekerjaan.
Because I want
Because I want
to get
to get
job.
job.
Okay. So tell me about your strength and your weakness.
My strength is smart, responsible, creative, and work. Uh,
Your weakness?
Weaknessnya
Yes. Or you don't have a weakness?
clock berpacu dengan waktu.
Oh, apa ya berpacu dengan waktu? Sometimes you cannot manage your time. Ya, gitu. You have a difficult how to manage your time. Ya. Gitu. Okay, but I hope you can handle it. Yeah, if you are accepted in my company as analyst. And then, do you have experience?
Experience.
Yes. Do you have experience? Job experience?
Experience.
Yes. Do you have?
Yes.
What is that? I
I
have.
have apprenticeship at PT Widya Cipta Buana for 3 months and at an laboratorium hygiene for 3 months.
3 months. This is just apprenticeship, right? Okay, tell me about your skill that you have. Skill?
Skill, I have good knowledge chemical, knowledge laboratorium control, instrument, chemical, computer,
Operate
computer.
That's all. Last one. How much salary do you want?
4 million.
4 million. About 4 million. Yeah. Okay, I think this is enough for interview today. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Why do you want to work in my company? Why?
Because I want to improve my ability and develop to this company.
Okay. What kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
QC analyst.
Fish analyst or chemical analyst? Yeah.
Yes.
This is the same. Please tell me about the job desk.
QC analyst ensures products meet required standard by testing, inspecting, and analyzing samples at various production stages.
Okay. And then tell me about your skill that you have.
I'm able to operating laboratory instrument. I have good knowledge of good laboratory practice and CGMP. I'm able to analyze the data, and I can work in the team.
Okay. So tell me about your strength and your weakness.
Strength that I'm smart, disciplined. I have good knowledge of chemical,
Okay.
and I can work in a shift.
Where do you live?
I live in Jalan Kualam 4, nomor 129, number 129.
Where is that? Jalan Kualam. Where is that?
Cileunyi.
Oh, Chile. Okay. Can you tell me about your educational background? Start from elementary school.
In sekolah dasar.
I graduate from
I'm graduating from
SDN from elementary school.
I graduate from SD Negeri 50 Cibiru.
Okay.
From SMP Karya Budi and SMKN 7 Bandung.
Okay. Your last education is SMKN 7 Bandung, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, the last one. How much salary do you want?
Well, maybe standard in this company or based on the regional minimum wage.
About how much?
Maybe 4 millions.
4 millions. How if I just how about our salary is lower than 4 million? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I think this is enough for interview today. I'll call you later for the result. Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. What kind of job position do you want to apply in my company?
I want to apply as R&D analyst.
Okay. Can you tell me about the job description of R&D?
Well, R&D analyst conducts research and development activities by analyzing data, testing materials, and developing and improving products and process.
Okay. So why do you want to work in my company as R&D?
Because I want to improve my ability and develop this company.
Okay. Tell me about your skill that you have.
My skill is I am able to operate computer.
Okay.
I am able to use Canva for basic purposes, and I am able to use laboratory instrument.
And then you can support trial runs and Scala process, yeah?
Yeah.
Data recording, can you?
Yes, I can.
Okay. What kind of Microsoft Office that you can?
I can use Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Word.
Okay. This is very commonly, right?
Yes.
Tell me about your strength and your weakness that you have.
My strength is I am smart, disciplined, and can work independently or as part of a team. My weakness is sometimes I am careless.
Okay, but you can handle it, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay, last one. How much salary do you want?
Maybe standard for this company or based on regional minimum wage.
About what? About how much?
Maybe 5 million.
About 5 million.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is enough for interview today. I'll call you later for the result. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I shine so bright, you might go blind.